How many different 5-digit numbers can be formed using? Look now, what we have got: 1 1, 2 2s, 3 3s, 4 4s and 5 5s. Now various possible cases are there, slightly lengthier one. What we can have is all the 5 digits are different. All the 5 digits different. This is one possible case. Now what we know is how many digits are there: 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Out of 5 we can select any of the 5 digits. Look, choices will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We want all different. Look, next 2-3 questions, they are tougher and they need all the concepts of permutation combination. So please revise all the concept and then try to solve these questions. Out of all these 5 digits, you select 5 digits. 5 things at 5 places can be arranged in 5 factorial. NCN is one way into 5 factorial. So such how many are there? 120. Now what we can have is 2 digits same and 3 digits different. Now 2 digits same, 1 cannot give us 2 digits same. It can be 2, 3, 4 or 5. Out of these 4 choices, I take 1 digit that will come twice. Means it can be 2 2s, 2 3s, 2 4s, but 1 cannot be used twice. Out of these 4 choices, any one choice twice. Now 1 choice gone. Now all the 3 digits are different. So out of remaining 4 choices, let's say 3 is gone, so 1 2 4 5. If 4 is gone, 1 2 3 5. Out of 4 choices, we will select 3 choices. Look, up till now we have just done the selection. 1 digit coming twice, 3 digits coming once. Now 5 things at 5 places can be arranged in 5 factorial, out of which 2 are same, so divide by 2 factorial. So what we get here is 4C1 is 4. Do not make me write it. 4C1 4, NC n minus 1, again n, standard result 5 factorial 120 upon 2 60. So calculation 60, 16s are calculation, we are not bothered right now. The logic is what matters the most. 120, 960. Now what case we can have is 3 same and 2 different. 3 same and 2 different. Now 3 same can be given by either we can take 3 3s, 3 4s or 3 5s. Means out of these 3 choices, I select any one choice. Any one choice which will come thrice. 1 choice gone. So out of remaining 4 choices, we will have 2 different choices. Now 5 things at 5 places can be arranged in 5 factorial, out of which 3 are same. So we divide by 3 factorial. So what we get? NC1, out of 3 choices, 1 coming thrice. Out of 4 choices, any 2 choices. Remaining 4 we need to select 2. Just this is the selection. 1 digit coming twice, twice coming once. So 5 things at 5 places, arrangement. 3 are same. So that's why arrangement now. Selection and arrangement. NC1, 4C2, 5 factorial 120 upon 3 factorial 6. We get 20. So what all we get here is 20 into 18. 360 numbers are there. 360 different. Now what all we can have is 4 same and 1 different. 4 same can be 4 4 4 4 or 5 5 5 5. Out of 2 cases 1. Remaining out of 4 digits, any one. Now this 1 digit means either 4s or 5. 1 digit 4 times, and out of 4, 1 digit only once. 5 factorial upon 4 5. Out of these 2, any one. 2 cases. Out of 4, any one. 5 factorial upon 4 factorial. What we get? 5. So such what we have got 40 numbers can be there. Now what we can have is all 5 same. This is the funniest case that we can have. All 5 same. It can be only one case. Out of 1, selection of 1. 5 things at 5 places can be arranged, all are same. Only one case is there, all 5 are same, all 5. Now what all we can have? Up till now what we did is, up till now lengthy solution, be patient. All 5 different, 3 different, 2 same, 2 different, 3 same, 1 different, 4 same. Now what all is possible? 3 same, 2 same is possible. 3 same, 2 same, 2 cases are left out. 2 cases are left out. Let's say we write it here only. Space permits, I suppose. Space will permit us here. Now what we can take is 2 same and 3 same. And then we can have is 2 same, 2 same and 1 different. Now 3 same can be 3s, 4s or 5s. Out of this 3 digits, any 1 digit thrice, any 1 digit thrice. Now if 3 is gone, 4 is gone or 5 is gone, any 1 is gone. So let's assume, not necessarily, let's say 4 is gone. So now 2, 3, 5. Out of 3 digits, 1 digit. Now this 1 will come thrice, 1 will come twice. 5 things at 5 places, 5 factorial, 3 same and 2 same. Look, this 1 digit will come thrice, this 1 digit will come twice. So what all we get here is 3C13, 3C13. Now this, or if you want me to write one step more for you, I'll write it. The calculation part here, 3 into 3 into 5 factorial 120 upon 12. So what we get? 10 arrangements. So total we get such 90 numbers. Such 90 numbers. And finally what we have got is 2 same, 1 different. Look, 2 digits twice. So now select at one go 2 2s, 2 3s, 2 4s or 2 5s. Any one of 4 choices, any 2 choices we select. It can be 2 2s, 3s and 5s, 4s and 5s. Out of 4 choices, any 2 choices, they will come twice. 2 choices gone. Out of remaining 3 choices, any one. Now 5 things at 5 places, 2 same, 2 same. So what we'll be getting here is 4C2 is 6. How to solve it? You please revise the basics. These are tougher questions, 2-3 tougher questions. 5 factorial 120 upon 4. So what we get? 30. So finally we'll be getting 540 numbers can be formed. So total how many numbers can be formed? Let's quickly check it here. Let's quickly check it. We have got here 120 and 960. 120 and 960, 1080. I believe everything oral. 1080 and 400, 1480. Up till now we have got his 1480, 1480 and 1481, 90, sorry, 1481 and 90, 1571, 1571 and 540, 1571 and 540. So what all will be getting here is 112111 numbers can be formed. You can always revise it.